The slightly tart fruit pairs perfectly with the slightly sweet crumble, an easy-to-make dessert for any occasions. Join me in making cherries, berries and almond flake crumble. Ingredients for the filling: 1 kg cherry and berry mix, 75 grams almond flakes, 8 tablespoons golden castor sugar, 100 grams, 2 tablespoons dark brown sugar, 30 grams, 2 tablespoons corn flour, around 25 grams, juice of 1 lemon for the crumble, 200 grams plain flour, 100 grams unsalted butter, 100 grams golden castor sugar, 2 teaspoons dark brown sugar, around 12 grams, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, around 14 grams. Notes: you can also use mixture of black forest fruits. The mixture may include sour cherries, sweet cherries, blueberries, blackberries and black currants. You can swap fresh fruits for the same amount of frozen. If you are using frozen fruits, then you will have to cook longer for around 5 minutes. You can swap maple syrup for the same amount of honey. Kitchen accessories: frying pan, oven-proof dish, large bowl, knife, chopping board, 2 tablespoons, 1 teaspoon, spatula or wooden spoon. Directions: preparing the filling. Put the hob on medium heat. Transfer the fruits into a dry frying pan. Add golden castor sugar, dark brown sugar and corn flour to the pan with the fruits. Mix until the ingredients are combined. Add the lemon juice and almond flakes. Mix until the ingredients are combined. Heat for around 10-15 minutes until the fruits thicken. Occasionally, stir with a wooden spoon to prevent the sugar caramelized on the edges of the pan. Turn off and remove from the heat and set the pan aside. Preparing the crumble. Put the flour, golden castor sugar, dark brown sugar and maple syrup in a large bowl. Cube the batter and put into the bowl. Rub together quickly and lightly between your fingertips so the ingredients come together, forming a crumble. Preparing the oven. Preheat the oven to 180 Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit or gas mark 4. Preparing the crumble. Transfer the filling to an oven-proof dish. Spread evenly. Sprinkle with crumble. Baking. Bake for around 35-40 minutes until golden. To serve. Serve the crumble hot or cold with pudding custard. Thank you for this episode and see you in the next one. Smacznego, friends!